I got me a selfie stick. That over there do be a camping area, so I'll be coming back for that here pretty soon too. I like the way this looks. This is a natural grapevine.
That's a grapevine?
Yeah. It doesn't have any on it now, but they're edible. You can actually eat them. I will say this trail is a lot easier though. It's got less steep trails. It's mostly just flat. Several camping spots, real pretty area. I just learned something new. That is a mayapple, and the seeds and leaves are toxic, but if it's soft, the fruit itself is soft and round, you can actually eat it. Look at that view.
Well, it was like that, but it was giving me a really bad headache, and then right when I was supposed to fall, and I just fell down because it hurt so bad.
Ooh. Well, we've reached the end of the trail. This was the Dogwood Nature Trail at Lake Bob Sandlin outside of Pittsburgh, Texas. I will say that if you come out here, pay attention to your trail map. It's because the trails are not necessarily clearly marked, but it was beautiful, and I can't wait to come back and go camping.